Hello. Welcome everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to factory reset an iPhone. First, understand that this process is irreversible. Data recovery is only possible with a backup. The phone will have no trace of use, as if it's brand new and just out of the box. Everything will be erased. Photos, videos, apps, data, anything on the phone will be completely wiped clean. You'll typically do this when changing phones before giving away or selling your old one. So, let's get started. First, we need to access the Settings menu. In Settings, go to General, then scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Once in this section, click Erase Content and Settings at the bottom. This option erases the iPhone, signs out of your Apple account, and removes all personal data from the device. It deletes apps, data, the account, and deactivates Find My iPhone. When ready, tap Continue and then Erase iPhone. Enter the phone's unlock code, the one used on the main screen. First, it's uploading data to iCloud. This may or may not appear depending on if your backup is active. If you don't want to upload to iCloud, just tap Skip Backup. Once done, the next step asks for our Apple ID password, which is our iCloud account password. In my case, it's linked to a Hotmail account. This step is crucial to reset the iPhone to factory settings. We absolutely must know the password. If forgotten, we can tap Forgot Password, but due to iPhone security, we'll have to wait to change it and can't reset now. After entering the password above, we'll tap Deactivate. Now it asks for Face ID. Let's use it. Once the password's in and Face ID is verified, the phone unlinks from our Apple account and starts the factory reset. And finally, once the reset is done, as you can see, the phone's ready to use again. It's on the main screen where you'll choose the language and set up your iPhone from scratch. Well folks, that's all for this video. As always, I hope this has been helpful. If so, don't forget to give a thumbs up, it's super important. Also, subscribe and hit the bell to stay updated. That's all from me. As always, it's been a pleasure. See you in the next video.